Yeah, New England, you know how it is around here. We just wait a couple of minutes, things change. Unfortunately, things haven't changed. We're dealing with some coastal flooding this afternoon. We saw that earlier this week. So right now we do have a flood watch for much of southern New England. Even some of the rivers and streams we're keeping a close eye on as we see this heavy rain moving through the area over the next couple of hours. The good news is it's a quick moving storm, but unfortunately, even after the rain stops, we're still draining things down towards the rivers and streams. So we'll be watching that very closely as we go through the next couple of hours. A big story, especially coastal Maine down over to New Hampshire, is the coastal flood warning. We could see some unprecedented high tides across Maine as we head into the early afternoon high tide. Even southern New England, Boston, we're watching Boston Harbor closely. Southeastern portions of New England with a coastal flood warning. We could have some minor to moderate coastal flooding. So people living along the coastline, you know, the usual areas up by Newburyport down across southern portions of New England. We'll be watching that very closely over the next couple of hours. Right now, the temperature in Boston is 43 degrees, and the wind is out of the east-southeast. We're gusting over 30 miles per hour. We've been doing that for a couple of hours now, and we're going to continue to have that wind ramp up. And the next couple of hours, that's when we'll see the strongest winds. 45 Barnstable, 48 in Taunton. We see some milder air working into the system. A little bit colder as you head towards southern New Hampshire, in the upper 30s, Concord, New Hampshire. But no snow, all rain with this particular system as we go through the next couple of hours. Wind gusts right now, the highest wind gusts that we see, 52 gusting on Nantucket, 44 over Barnstable, 45 Chatham, Boston up to 31 miles per hour. Coastline, Beverly, you're in the upper 30s, you're hitting 38, 39 miles per hour. Even over at Cape Ann, we're seeing gusts over 40 miles per hour. Those winds are going to continue to ramp up. Peak winds 40 in Boston, 51 in Plymouth, 52 Nantucket. And that's where we're seeing, but we're going to continue to watch that. We could see some minor, some pockets of power outages, especially down towards the Cape Ann, even sporadic across some portions of the area. But we went through this a couple of days ago, so the crews have done a great job keeping the power on for much of us. But we'll be watching that, some isolated power outages as we go through the next couple of hours. Storm system continues to churn. We're in the warm sector of things. We see the blues on the map that represent some snow across the higher elevations, mostly from the lakes region of New Hampshire, northern Vermont into Maine. And you're going to see several inches of snow. Still seeing some heavier rain, but the back edge of the rain is down towards southwestern Connecticut. It's quickly moving towards the northeast, and we'll watch that very closely. Some heavier rain moving along I-95 along Connecticut into Rhode Island. That rain is going to continue to move towards the northeast over the next couple of hours. So southeastern Maine, Massachusetts, that is, you could see some heavier rain moving in. Right now, mostly light to moderate showers. Southeastern Mass, even over towards Worcester County into southern New Hampshire. Then you get into the snow as you get further north. Northeastern portions of Massachusetts, the North Shore, seeing some moderate to heavier rain. Salem up towards Gloucester, and that's going to continue over the next couple of hours. We watch our exclusive forecast system. Rain is green, blue is the snow in between. That is some sleet and freezing rain, and that's going to continue to move through the area. By 11 o'clock, I think we see the back edge of the showers moving through the Boston area. Look at the temperatures moving into the 50s as we head into the afternoon, and then we'll continue to see cooler temperatures moving in as we go through the next couple of hours towards the evening, that is. Tonight, the winds, this morning I should say, the winds continue to gust over 40, 50 along the coastline. Could see some 60 miles per hour gusts, and then we'll see anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain. Additionally, could see about another inch in Boston, so that's what we're watching very closely. Exclusive forecast system. First alert today, well, there goes my snow map. Yep, a couple inches across the northern areas. Here's our exclusive forecast system, forecast for the 10-day forecast, that is. We see that rain today, so we're watching the coast very closely. I can't emphasize enough that the New Hampshire coastline up towards Maine, for our NECN viewers, you definitely want to be careful out there. I'm sure you're prepared for it. You've been hearing about it for the last 48 hours, knowing that the storm is upon us, but just be careful out there. Stay away from those flooded waters if you can. And then as we head into tomorrow, colder air moves in, cold front moves through tomorrow afternoon. Could have some snow squalls, something to watch out for as you're driving, traveling. Big weekend. I know a lot of people traveling this weekend, and then we turn colder next week. More on the forecast coming up in a few. Back over to you guys.